our last video, we have started complex number. So we saw what is complex number, how to find out the imaginary, what is imaginary unit, and how to find out the I to the power n. Okay, and we also saw the properties of complex number and what is complex number and how to find out the real part and imaginary part of complex number, and what is zero complex number, what is conjugate of a complex number, and we also saw the conjugate, the properties of conjugate. Okay, so there are three properties of conjugate, and then after that arithmetic algebra of complex number we also saw, that is addition of complex number, addition, properties of addition, and subtraction of a complex number. These are five properties of addition. And then after that what we did, we did multiplication also, and and we did subtraction also. Yeah, subtraction and multiplication with a scalar number. Okay, multiplication of a complex number by a scalar. Okay, and then we did one sum. Okay, so we can say that when we are multiplying z1 and z2 or any two complex number, what value we are getting? a plus bi and c plus di id है, तो उसके लिए what value we are getting? a c minus bd. Okay, okay, so what we are doing basically, जो complex numbers हैं, जो real we are multiplying, and imaginary जो है minus के साथ we have to multiply. तो remember this, how to remember this? ac minus bd. Okay, ac minus bd, and then रियल को कॉम्प्लेक्स से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स को रियल से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, तो व्हाटएवर वी आर गेटिंग दैट शुड बी इन द इमेजिनरी पार्ट. सो एडी plus bc. Okay, so how we are now, based on, you have to remember this. Okay, so how you have to remember, this one is real of z1, real of z2, and this one minus लगाकर, then imaginary of z1, imaginary of z2. Okay, and this is what real of z1, एक का real दूसरे का imaginary, एक का imaginary दूसरे का real. Okay, this way you have to remember ac minus bd and plus I AD plus BC. Okay, so we'll do one sum based on this concept, and if two complex numbers are given, you have to find out the product. So z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i and z2 is equal to 3 minus 2i. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या है, z minus 2 है ना, तो this d is equal to minus 2, not 2. Okay, so z1 z2 will be equal to, see यहाँ पे a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 3 and d is equal to minus 2 है. Okay, so what is the value? ac minus bd plus I into ad plus bc. Okay, so a into c, 2 into 3 will be 6 minus bd, 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6, and so minus 6 and plus minus is there, so minus minus plus 6. Okay, plus I into ad, a into d, minus 2 into 2 will be minus 4, and bc, so b into c will be 3 into 3, 9. So 12 plus I 5, so this will be the value. Okay, now we'll see multiplication के कुछ properties हम देखेंगे. We'll see the properties of multiplication. Okay, so multiplication के क्या properties है? If we have three complex numbers z1, z2, z3, then first one, z1 into z2 will be equal to z2 into z1. Okay, second, z1 into z2 into z3 will be equal to, z1 को हम बाहर भी लिख सकते हैं, तो z2 into, there will be no change when we are multiplying, there will be no change. Okay, and और क्या है, z1 में when we are multiplying by 1 we'll get z1 only. Okay, and fourth, z into z bar, that will be a real number. Okay, z into z bar will be a real number. How? We'll take one example. If 3 plus 4 I4, okay, z का वैल्यू है. Okay, so z bar का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 3 minus I4. Okay, now what we have to do, z into z bar का वैल्यू क्या होगा, AC that is 9 minus BD, तो this is already minus है, so यहाँ पे माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, प्लस 16, okay, into yeah, this is bracket मिलेंगे, then I का वैल्यू, what will be the value of I, 3 into minus 4 and 4 into 3, so 4 into 3 will be 12 and 3 into minus 4 will be minus 12, okay, so minus 12 and 12 तो cancel हो जाएगा, so what will be the value, what value will be getting, z into z bar will be equal to 9 plus 16 will be 25 plus I 0, so there will be no I, so that's why z into z bar is real number, okay. और क्या कर सकते हैं, and one more thing is there, z into z, okay, z1 into z2 bar will be equal to z1 bar into z2 bar, okay. So this also we can see, क्या कर सकते हैं हम, we can take one example, yeah, this example हम लेते हैं, and okay, this example, if, okay, see, we'll take this one, okay, if we have the value, if z1 is equal to 2 plus 3i, z2 is equal to 3 minus 2i, and z1 z2 is equal to 12 plus i5, okay. So हमें इसका कंजुगेट निकालना है, तो z1 z2 का बार विल बी इक्वल टू 12 माइनस i5, ओके, ठीक है। नाउ अब हम इन दोनों का कंजुगेट लेते हैं, सो इन दोनों का कंजुगेट विल बी, z1 का कंजुगेट विल बी 2 माइनस i3 and z2 का conjugate will be 3 plus 2i. Now we have to multiply this and we have to check whether we are getting this value or not. So z1 bar into z2 bar will be equal to 2 minus 3i into 3 plus 2i. So it will be 2 into 3, 6, and minus 3 into 2 will be minus 6, and already minus is there, यहाँ पे minus होगा because I multiply करेंगे तो minus minus plus 6, ठीक है, and then plus I into AD, that is 4 into BC, so that will be minus 3 into 3 9, okay, so 12 और ये होगा minus I5. So we are getting the value or not? So these two values are same. It means Z1 Z2 का bar will be equal to Z1 bar into Z2 bar. ठीक है? So this is verified. Now what we have to do? Now the next thing that we are going to discuss is division. So once we have done with the multiplication, okay, we'll do one sum. Okay. If Z is equal to A plus IB, and z into z bar will be equal to a square plus b square, होगा ना, because z1 z into z bar, okay, that will be equal to a square plus b square. कैसे? Because whatever value we are getting for z into z bar, 3 का square will be 9, 4 का square will be 16, 3 plus 4 का square will be 5 का square. Okay, so this is also one property you have to remember. Z, if z is equal to a plus b, a plus ib, then z into z bar will be a square plus b square. Okay, now if I is equal to square root of minus 1 and I square, then I square will be equal to minus 1, I to the power 4 is equal to 1. So what will be the value of I to the power 100? Okay, so I to the power 100 means I to the power 4 into 25. Okay, so I to the power 4 का power 25 का मतलब 1 का power 25, 1 का power 25 will be 1. Okay, so we can generalize this. I का power 4n है अगर, तो that will be 1. अगर I का power 4n plus 1 है, that will be I I का पार अगर 4n+2 है then it will be -1 and I का पार is 4n+3 then it will be -I. Okay, so this generalization we should remember always. Then after that we can do division. Okay, now we can do division if we have two complex numbers. Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID. ठीक है, so what we have to do, हमें क्या करना है, we have to divide Z1 upon Z2 अगर हमें find out करना है. So what will the value, A plus IB divided by C plus ID. But how can we divide if अगर नीचे जो है in denominator if we have a value that is a complex number, so how we can divide it? Okay, so basically what we have to do, हमें इसे we have to convert it in the real number. So how we can do, because we know that Z into Z bar is equal to a real number, that is not a complex number. So हम denominator को we have to convert, तो denominator का conjugate will multiply the conjugate of denominator in numerator and denominator both. तो there will be no change. अगर same number we are multiplying in the denominator, वही number से अगर हम numerator को भी multiply करेंगे, so there will be no change. So A plus IB into C plus ID. C minus ID है तो क्या होगा, जनरली AC प्लस BD होता, AC माइनस BD होता था. सो दिस विल बी AC प्लस BD. वाई? बिकॉज माइनस I इंटू I विल बी I टू द पावर 4 मतलब 1. ओके, प्लस I इंटू BC माइनस AD. ओके, डिवाइडेड बाय C का स्क्वायर प्लस D का स्क्वायर. ओके, तो C का स्क्वायर प्लस D का स्क्वायर हम लेंगे, देन वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू. सो Z1 का अपॉन Z2 का वैल्यू क्या होगा, तो रियल पार्ट विल बी AC प्लस BD divided by C square plus D square. This is the real part, plus I into BC minus AD divided by C square plus D square. Okay, so this will be the real part and this will be the imaginary part. Okay, now we'll do, I hope you understood the concept. Now we'll do sums based on this concept. Okay, so we'll do some examples, then it will be more clear. Okay, so we have a question. If Z1 is equal to, if Z1 is equal to 3 plus 2I and Z2 is equal to 1 plus I, then what will be the value of Z1 upon Z2? We have to write Z1 upon Z2 in the form of A plus IB. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all, Z1 upon Z2 will be equal to 3 plus 2I divided by 1 plus I. Okay, okay, so this will be equal to, what we will do, we will multiply by the conjugate of 1 plus I. So conjugate of 1 plus I will be 1 minus I, 1 minus I. Now we have to multiply. So 3 into 1 will be 3 and 2 into minus 1 will be 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2 and I square है तो वो minus minus plus हो जाएगा, तो 2 plus I into 3 2 into 1 will be 2 and 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3 divided by 1 का square plus I 1 का square. Okay, so it will be 3 plus 2 5 minus I. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1 and minus 1 into I will be minus I. So it will be 1 ka square plus 1 ka square will be 2. So it will be 5 upon 2 minus I 1 upon 2. So Z1 upon Z2 will be equal to 5 upon 2 minus I 1 upon 2. Yeah, I upon 2 we can write. Okay, so we can write I upon 2. I upon 2. Okay, so this will be the value. Now Next question, one more question will do. If we have a question given 1 plus 2i into minus 2 plus I, okay, and we have to write it in the form of a plus ib. Okay, so how we'll do this? So it will write, okay, so we'll multiply this. So 1 into minus 2 will be 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 into 1, okay, plus I into 1 into I, that will be 1, plus 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2, okay. So this will be minus 2 minus 2 plus I into 1 minus 4, okay. So because 2 into minus 2 will be minus 4, so minus 4 plus I into minus 3, so this will be equal to minus 4 minus 3i, okay. So we have to write it in the form of a plus ib. It means a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 3, okay. Next, one more question will do. If we have question given 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 3i into 2 plus I to the power minus 1, okay, so what we have to do, we have to write it in the term of a plus, in the form a plus ib, okay. So this will be equal to, this is minus 1 पावर है, मतलब वो डिनोमिनेटर में जा सकता है. So 1 plus 2i into 1 plus 3i divided by 2 plus I, okay. So 2 plus I है, so we can write 2 minus I and 2 minus I, ठीक है. So now we'll multiply this. So it will be, after multiplying this, we'll get 1 plus 3i plus 2i plus 6i square, okay, for this one, for this part, and into 2 minus I, okay, divided by 2 का square plus 1 का square, okay, 2 का square plus 1 का square, okay. So it will be, now for this one we'll get 5i and 1 minus 6, so minus 5 plus 5i will get for this one, okay. And now what we'll do, now we'll multiply this 2 minus I से हम multiply करेंगे, divided by 2 का square will be 4 and 1 का square will be 1. So now we'll get, after multiplying this, we'll get minus 10 plus 5i plus 10i minus 5i square divided by 4 plus 1, 5, okay. So it will be minus 5, because ये 5i square will be plus 5 minus 5i plus 5 plus 5 minus 10 will be minus 5, and then plus 15i divided by 5. We'll take 5 common, so we'll get minus 1 plus 3i and divided by 1, क्योंकि 5 हमने ले लिया ना. So it is in the form of a plus ib, okay. I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.